In this class, we'll be talking about healthcare and ethics. Not necessarily the science behind healthcare, but more so the decision-making process that goes into dealing with tricky moral situations that come up in the clinical setting. There are ethical dilemmas everywhere, and we need to have some sort of system that we can use to make sure that we're doing right by ourselves, our coworkers, and most importantly, our patients when these situations come up. One way that we can do that is through ethical theory, but there's a lot of ethical theories out there. There's good ones, and then there's bad ones, and we need to have some way of determining which ones are which. One way that we can do that is with some sort of minimum conception of what morality is. In Chapter 1 of James Rachel's Elements of Moral Philosophy, he says that morality is, at the very least, the effort to guide one's conduct by reason. That is, to do what there are the best reasons for doing, while giving equal weight to the interests of each individual affected by one's decision. There's two main components to this: reason and giving equal weight to the interests of each individual. When we talk about reason, we're talking about argument, backing up what you're claiming to say or do in that situation. You need to have reasons for what you decide. And those reasons can't just be any reasons, they need to be good reasons. If you don't have good reasons to back up your claim or your decision, you might need to reconsider. It's probably not a good moral decision. The second part, giving equal weight to the interests of each individual, just means that we have some measure of impartiality to make sure that we're not biased or discriminating against certain groups of people. There is no room for that in morality. When we put these together, we have some minimal standard by which we can judge ethical theories. And going forward, when we talk about other ethical theories in this class, we'll use this minimum conception of morality to make sure that these are valid, sound theories that we can use in the clinical setting.